Look at that. This is like a cake type meal. Wow. Oh my gosh. Look at the inside of that. Does that look crazy good? Welcome to the Vegan Spice. My name is Joseph, 100% plant-based and 100% vegan. Wound healing, anti-aging, mood, skin, inflammation, diseases, calendula flowers, and hibiscus flowers is right in this cup I'm sipping on right now. We are doing a vegan blueberry bake. Let's get it now. All right, guys, this blueberry bake is filling, awesome, tasty, scrumptious with blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, oranges on the side, baking powder, baking soda, apple cider vinegar, bananas, you name it. I'm going to bring you up close and we're going to get it done right now. All right, guys, let me go ahead and give you a rundown of what I'm working with today here. So I have a half a cup of oats, rolled oats, the thicker of the kind, a half a cup of your favorite non-dairy. This is going to be homemade coconut milk that I made, a medium banana. I do have frozen blueberries and frozen strawberries, equaling about a cup. You can go ahead and substitute those if you want, or any of the ingredients in any of my videos. Okay, so right here I have about a half a teaspoon of cinnamon and cocoa. Baking powder, I have 1 teaspoon. Baking soda, I have a half of a teaspoon. I do have some apple cider vinegar right here at 1 teaspoon, and some vanilla extract at 1 teaspoon also. I have some maple syrup for the plating, the molasses for the plating, the raspberries, the strawberries, and the oranges. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and make this. I'm going to go ahead and put the dry ingredients first. It doesn't matter which order you put them in. If you want to do the wet, you can do the wet. But I'm going to go ahead and do the oatmeal. I'm going to pour in the homemade coconut milk. I do have the mashed banana at a medium. I do have the strawberries. I do have the blueberries. We're just going to pour these guys right in. The cocoa, and I have the cinnamon. The baking powder and the soda are going to react with the apple cider vinegar, as you see right now. The 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. That is it. That is all. A little up close right there. This right here makes 1 bowl. 1 medium-sized bowl, guys. I have a terracotta. I have a couple of those. It might make a smaller one of your size depending on, you know, the depth of it, so on and so forth. But that is it. You put it all in a bowl, you mix it together. That's your blueberry bake. It's pretty simple, pretty easy. Here's my terracotta bowl. You could go ahead and put some oil or some coconut oil in the bottom of that. It's not needed. I don't do it. It comes out perfectly. So this right here is 1 terracotta bowl. Put it in the oven for 425 minutes, guys. For 3 minutes. Decrease. Then you have to decrease the heat to 375 until golden brown. That is it. That is all you do. That is the product right there. And of course, I have a finished product right there. Look at that. This is going to be so good. So I'm going to put the finished product over here. I'm going to grab, without breaking everything, I'm going to go ahead and grab a plate, put it down right there. And you know what? Let's start plating, guys. So, I'm going to go ahead and get some, use the same one. We're going to put a little bit of them in it right there. We're going to do another one on the side. We're going to cut this in half. Wow. Maybe a little bit of blueberries on top. Let me go ahead and give you another close-up look at that. Doesn't that look crazy good? So here you have it. I'm going to go ahead and decorate this pretty awesomely for you. So I have strawberries. I'm going in all 4 corners, okay? Move this a little bit, okay? Strawberries in all my 4 corners. That's a big strawberry. We'll put that one over there. We'll put that one over there. We do have some can't even talk. Some raspberries. We're going to decorate the perimeter of the blueberry bake like that. Coming together very, very well. Looking scrumptious already. I have some extra. Come on down if you want some, guys. Put one there. Put a little bit one there. Move that one over. And put one right there. Beautiful. Now I have the oranges. I can go ahead and put 2 on either side is what I'm going to be doing today. We got one there and we have one there. 2 more on this side. And you can go ahead and substitute anything you want in any of my videos. Okay? So that is going to be that. That is done. Look at that already. I'm not even finished, guys. That's looking crazy colorful right now. We're going to move that, pick that raspberry up like that. So I'm going to go ahead and use some really good molasses. I love molasses. Absolutely love it. Okay? We're going to go ahead and drizzle a little bit of molasses on like that. Wow. I could smell that. So good already, guys. So good. A little bit more. I think that's going to be good on that one right there. We do have some maple syrup. If I can get it open. Get another little type of spoon over here or a little knife. Drizzle it on just like that. It's your creation. Make it how you want, guys. Okay? Done with that one. And I'm feeling it like a dusting of cocoa is what I'm feeling like right now. Sprinkle it on any way you want. Maybe put some on the oranges, on the raspberries like that. Give it a couple flicks. We're good to go on that one. Let me go ahead and bring this close to you guys. Here it comes. The Vegan Spice, the VS. Thank you for watching. Until next time, guys, be well, be yourself, and be safe. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day. Look at that. This is like a cake-type meal. Wow. Oh my gosh. Look at the inside of that. Does that look crazy good?